The RPM sensor detects the motor speed. If your door only moves 6 to 8 inches at a time and the LED light flashes 5 times, then the RPM sensor is likely defective. You can replace the RPM sensor using the steps in this video. Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Now, let's get started. Unplug the garage door opener, or turn off the house circuit breaker for the garage door opener. Pull the emergency release rope to release the trolley. Shut the garage door if it's not already closed. Remove the fastener ring from the straight door arm connected to the outer trolley. Pull out the clevis pin while supporting the straight arm to disconnect the garage door from the outer trolley. Lower the straight and curved arms down and rest them against the garage door. Open the light cover to access the wall control and safety sensor wires connected to the motor unit. Disconnect the wall control and safety sensor wires from the motor unit. Close the light cover. Remove the nuts, bolts, and lock washers that secure the motor unit to the ceiling bracket. Support the motor unit with one hand as you remove the last bolt from the ceiling bracket. Carefully lower the motor unit and rest it on your work table. Remove the fastener ring from the header bracket clevis pin. Pull the clevis pin out of the rail and header bracket while supporting the rail with one hand. Lower the rail and rest it on a rung of the stepladder so the rail is level with the motor unit on your work table. Remove the light covers and light bulbs from either side of the motor unit. Flip the motor unit over and remove the screws from the motor unit cover. Then, pull the cover off. Unplug the RPM sensor wire harness. Remove the interrupter cup from the motor shaft. Release the RPM sensor from the mounting clip and remove it. Push the new RPM sensor into the mounting clip, locking the sensor into place. Connect the RPM sensor wire harness to the new sensor. Reinstall the interrupter cup on the motor shaft. Reinstall the motor unit cover, securing it with the mounting screws. Reinstall the light bulbs and light covers on the motor unit. Reconnect the rail end to the header bracket using the clevis pin and fastener ring. Carefully set the motor unit on top of the stepladder. Reinstall the motor unit to the ceiling bracket using the nuts, bolts, and lock washers. Open the light cover to access the wall control and safety sensor terminals on the motor unit. Reconnect the wall control and safety sensor wires to the motor unit. Close the light cover. Reconnect the straight door arm to the outer trolley using the clevis pin and fastener ring. Re-engage the trolley. Plug in the garage door opener, or turn on the house circuit breaker.